I bet you've never made bread like this before. What looks like an ordinary slice of bread transforms into a crispy, golden snack that's crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside, and impossible to resist. The best part? You only need a handful of simple ingredients already sitting in your kitchen. Wait until you hear that crunch at the end. It might become your new favorite breakfast. First, crack 1 egg into a mixing bowl. Now add a 1/4 cup of sugar and whisk everything together until the sugar completely dissolves. This step helps create a smooth and evenly sweet mixture. Now add 1/2 cup of suji, or semolina, followed by 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Mix everything really well until you have a smooth, lump-free batter. As the suji starts soaking up the milk, you'll notice the mixture becoming rich and creamy, the perfect coating for our bread. Now it's time to add some texture. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and give everything another good mix. The sesame seeds will add a wonderful nutty flavor and a light crunch after frying. Cover the bowl and let the mixture rest for 5 minutes. This resting time allows the semolina to absorb the milk, making the coating thicker and giving the toast an even better texture. While the batter is resting, take 2 slices of bread. Cut each slice right through the middle to create smaller pieces that are easy to coat and fry. After 5 minutes, uncover the batter and give it one final stir. You'll notice it has become slightly thicker. That's exactly what we want. Now coat each bread piece generously with the semolina mixture. Don't rush this step. Make sure every piece is well coated on both sides, so every bite gets that crispy golden crust. If you loved this easy recipe, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and follow for more quick and delicious recipes. Meanwhile, heat some oil in a frying pan over medium flame. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the coated bread pieces into the pan. Let them cook for a minute or 2 before flipping. Flip them gently, then cook the other side. Continue turning them occasionally so they cook evenly and develop a beautiful golden brown color on every side. As they fry, you'll notice the outside becoming wonderfully crisp while the inside stays soft and fluffy. The aroma of toasted sesame and golden semolina is simply irresistible. Once they're perfectly golden and crispy, remove them from the pan and place them on a plate. Serve them hot with ketchup, chili sauce, mayonnaise, or simply enjoy them as they are. They're perfect for breakfast, evening tea, or whenever you're craving a quick and delicious snack. And that's it! Crispy, golden, and incredibly tasty Suji bread toast is ready to enjoy. If you loved this easy recipe, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and follow for more quick and delicious recipes. See you in the next one!